9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Tingnan mo, ginawa mo sa kanya.
Are you trying to defend her? You never defended me.
Manahimik ka.
I hate you! I hate you
Manahimik
so much!
sabi ko. Pare, sapakin kita eh. Huwag mo nang kausapin ng ganyan si Nena. Huwag kang makikialam dito. Bitawan mo siya.
It's more of a gentleman than you are, Tony.
Akin yan. Abong! Abong!
Oh, Tony!
Ano ba nakakit ng babae?
Nothing at all.
Ano bang pinag-aaway niyong dalawa?
We were not quarreling. Tony and I just wanted to be good friends and nothing more. That's true, Tony.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, now we can tell them. Tell us what?
Teka, ano nangyayari dito?
That Tony and I are engaged.
Engaged?
Yes, we've been secretly engaged for a month. A month? Why you?
Hey guys, I did try to say I did.
You, double crosser! Careful there, you're speaking to my fiancé. He's not your fiancé. He's not your fiancé. Hey, he's my boyfriend. What did you say?
Totoy! Sandali lang.
Walang yakap ka sa labahan.
Hindi kita kausap. Huwag mo din ako kausapin. Ininsulto mong babaeng pinakamamahal ko.
Oh, Totoy.
Hey!